So, okay, see right here, I'm going to go in, I'm going to use this here little file. This here is an emery board for natural nails and natural nails only. Okay? So, but I'm going across my nail bed ever so lightly because I don't want to damage, especially this here thumb here, because this thumb here been going through some things. I explained that in a couple of other videos. And yeah, so I'm going to go across my nail beds ever so lightly, like that there, okay? I'm going to use this here glue. This is just some regular nail glue. I'm going to use this glue to adhere my nails to my hand here. Okay. Okay, so now since I got my nails on, I'm gonna just go ahead and take off I'm gonna rub across here ever so lightly and take off the shine just so my polish can adhere to the nails. I'm gonna buff this here out. Matter of fact, let me get a buffer. How about that? Yeah, let's get a buffer and try and buff these suckers out. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try and buff here to shine. Yeah, I think that's working just a little bit better for me. Okay. Now there we go. Now we getting somewhere. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and buff the shine off these little mama jammers real fast. And yeah, then we gonna put on that polish there. So now what I'm going to be using here is this here. And this here is some OPI sheer tint. Okay, OPI sheer tint. Okay, so now I purchased this here at my local beauty supply store maybe about 4 years ago. I'm sorry, I can't tell you how much I paid for it, but you can go right on eBay and find this here. I mean, you know, eBay and maybe AliExpress, but look up OPI sheer tint polish. Okay. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is another thing. Hold on. Let me get some things together around here. Some stuff I should have been had together. But I didn't, but y'all going to work with me, right? Y'all going to work with me. I hope you work with me. I hope y'all enjoy watching my videos as much as I like putting them out. Okay, let me, I don't want to use that. That's so nasty. Let me see. Hold on. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my little stones here. Ooh. Okay, can I get it open? Today. Okay, there we go. Alright, and where's my little spoon at? I'm going to pick out me some stones here. Because we're going different sizes, so I'm going to go with these here. I'm going to put them in my dish. Now, I purchased these here little glass stones from AliExpress. These are not no Swarovski, whatever you call them, crystals. But they look just as good if you ask me. Okay? So, that's for those, you know, who not trying to go out there spend all that money on them crystals. And I don't blame you, baby, because, yeah.